Today, I want to talk about my chessboard. It was supposed to include chess, backgammon, and checker, but I lost some piece 2 months ago when I went camping, so now I can only play chess. I often play chess with my older brother, and he usually root. This board game is easy to carry because it's small. It used to have 3 games, but now there's just one. I appreciate its wooden construction. It has a classic look. To me, it's not just a game. It's a memory in the making because my brother gave it to me as a gift. I believe it's a thoughtful gift idea. If you're looking for a fun gift that allows for playtime with others, this chess set is a great choice. Have fun!